Hello students, good morning. You are in the best part of education YouTube learning channel. You are in the best part of YouTube education learning channel. In this channel I am creating some educational videos. Along with this channel I am creating some maths puzzles, and along with that I am creating some fast maths tips. By that you people can become topper of your maths class. I am just sharing my knowledge by using this channel, so please share, like, comment, subscribe my channel. So today we are going to learn one fast math tip by using this bean spide. So in the previous class we learned multiplication, how to multiply any two-digit number below 100. So like that we are going to learn one trick now. So today we are going to learn squaring of a given number. Any number you can take, just square of that number is going to how to do the square of a number very easily. That's what we are going to learn in this. We are going to learn the trick. For example, 96 square. It is going to take so much time to multiply 96 multiplied by 96. Actually, this is the steps we'll follow. 6 6 are 36, 6 9 are 54, plus carry 3 is 57, and then 9 6 are 54, 9 9 are 81, plus 5 86, 6 11, 5 6 11 12, 8 plus 1 9. So this is the way we are going to follow this step. 1 2 3 steps we'll follow, and that two tables, carry, each and everything. So much big, very big procedure we have. So to avoid this procedure, the short trick which you are not going to learn in your schooling is this. Just consider 96 square, and it is how many times less than 100 is 4. How much 96 minus 4? 92. Now just simple square of 4. 4 4 is 16, and the answer is 9260. See how fast we can do it. Less than a time span of 5 seconds. It is not going to take even 5 seconds also to do that. So let's go with one more example, that is 91 square. Simple. 91 is less than how many times 100 is 9. So 91 minus 9 is 82, and square of this, write down. That's it. So shall we move on with one more example? These are very near to 100. Now I'll take more than 100, that is 103 square. 103 is more 100 by 3 times. So 103 plus 3 is 106, and 3 square is 9. So we'll just find out 103 multiplied by 103. 3 3s are 9, 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3. 0 table, 0 3s are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 1s are 0. And now 1 table, 1 3s are 3, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1s are 1. And you'll get 9 0 6 0 1. 10609. Here one mistake I just did is we have to write the last two digits, but here I just written only a single digit, so that is the only mistake I have done over here. Giving it. Now you'll get, okay. So okay, so I done a mistake. I'll go for one more example, which is more than 100. That is 102 square. Okay, so it is more than 100 by 2. 102 plus 2 is 104, and 2 square is 404. This is a mistake we did over there, so that is the reason I will not do it. Now I'll just show you the verification procedure also, whether whatever I did is right or wrong. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2. Now ones place completed. Coming to the tens place, 0 2s are 0, 0 zeros are 0, 0 1s are 0. Now ones place, tens place, both multiplication completed. 1 2s are 2, 1 zeros are 0, 1 1s are 1. 4 0 4 0 1. So 10,404, and the same answer I got. So you may get a doubt that you are showing very near to 100 and you are showing more than 100. So if a number is less than 100, means 46 square, So how to do this is very simple. It is near to 50 by less than 50 by 4. 46 minus 4 is 42, and 4 square we will just downwrite. Actually this is the procedure we are doing till now, but only one change we have to do is we just consider this near to 50, right? So 50 is half of 100, half of 100. So I just have to do half of 42. Half of 42 is nothing but half of 4 is 2, half of 2 is 1, and this 2 digits will come as it is. There is no change in the 2 digits. So the answer is 2116. Let's check with our as usual procedure. 6 6 are 36, 6 4 are 24, plus carry 3, that is 27, and ones place completed cross. 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 4 are 16, plus carry 2 is 18, 6 7 plus 4 11, 2 plus 8 10, plus carry 1 11, and 1 plus 1 is 16. So the answer is 2116, and the same thing I got over here. Okay, shall we go with one more example which is very near to 50? That is 41 square. 41 is very near to 50, less than 9. So 41 minus 9 is 32. As usual, half of 32. So half of 32 is 16, and 9 square is 81. 41 multiplied by 41. 1 1s are 1, 1 4s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 1 8 6 1. 1681 and 1681. You just try to do it your own examples, and you just take some more examples and try it out. So to do this, just we have to know the perfect squares of single digit numbers, that is 1 to 9. I hope you all understand it easily. And just multiplying squares, multiplication of 2 digit squares I just selected. Of course you can do this even for 1000 or 1000 near numbers also. Okay, shall we go for a number which is very near to 1000, that is 998. 988 I'll take. So it is less than 1000 by 12. Just do the subtraction. 9 7 6, and 12 square is 144. So we'll just multiply 988 with 988. We'll check it out whether it is going to be correct or not, because we apply the same rule. 8 8s are 64, 6 carry and 4 down. Again 64 plus carry 6 is 70. 8 9s are 72, plus 7 is 79. Now again with the multiplication of 8, the same answer you'll get. So that is the reason, without saying, I'm just doing it. 9 8s are 72. 9 8s are 72, plus carry 7, 79. 9 9s are 81, plus carry 7, 88. 4 4 9 to 11, 18 8 26, and 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 8 16, 17. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the answer is 976,144. I think we got the same answer. So we'll just go through with one more example. 996 square. So it is less than 4 by 1000. So 992, and the square of 4 is 16. But actually we have to write a 3-digit number, so that is the reason we are going to keep 0. Okay, we will check the usual procedure. 6 6 are 36, 6 9s are 54, plus 3 is 57. 6 9s are 54, plus 3 55. 54 plus 5 is 59. 9 6 are 54. 9 9s are 81, plus 5 86. Again 9 9s are 81, plus 8 89. and now with the same number, so we'll get the same answer, 4, 6, 9, 8. Just simply do addition, 6, 11, 20, 22, 19, 9. So the answer is 992,016. I hope you all understand how to do multiplication of squares, squaring of any digit number. Whatever the number they're given, you can just do a square. Just check it out whether it is near to 100 or whether it is near to 50, and then multiply it. More than 100 means plus you should do, and less than 1000 or less than 100 means minus we should do. And whatever the number you are doing minus, that square you should write it beside of the number, and by that you will get square of the number within a seconds. Wash your hands thoroughly, cover when you are going outside, clean properly, cook thoroughly. Don't touch your eyes, mouth and nose. Avoid long journeys. Be inspired. Salute to the Corona warriors still who are helping for the Corona patients. Thank you for watching.